Bullish Near protocol cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $9.32 and $17.60 by 2030. Market experts accept Near could reach $7.25 by 2025. Bearish Near protocol market cost expectation for 2023 is $1.66. Near protocol presentation. Since its modest starting points with a little group in San Francisco, Near protocol has in short order developed to collaborate with a portion of the business top alliance, performing on a vertical direction since its commencement, with the declaration of an aggressive program to pull ahead in the crypto game and set the basis for Web 3.0. The Near network is drawing in a lot of consideration. In this Near protocol survey, we'll assess the organization's key highlights, alongside specialized examination and our near future cost forecasts. What is Near protocol? Near protocol is a layer 1 public evidence of stake blockchain zeroed in on building client and engineer cordial stages. The protocol was established in 2018 by Alexander Skidnov and Ilya Polisakhin, who recently held jobs in significant organizations like Microsoft and Google, joining their previous experience to its most prominent benefit. The pair at first had dreams of an AI project yet ended up floating towards blockchain innovation. Before long, the Near protocol was conceived as a savvy contract-skilled blockchain. Near was intended to have dapps and spotlight on ease of use, rivaling other savvy contract-empowered blockchains like Ethereum and EOS. Near has consolidated a few elements to uplift ease of use and client comfort. For instance, the stage permits clients to connect with shrewd agreements and dapps without requiring a wallet and consolidates intelligible record names close by crypto wallet addresses. One of Near's most aggressive projects is to make a permissionless, open, decentralized web a space where no organization, individual, or government can intercede. Near plans to stand separated from different stages like Meta, which it considers a one-sided, shut biological system, and on second thought make a space where clients have the ability to control their own information. Near protocol specialized examination. Since its send-off in August 2020, the Near network has gotten backing from numerous outstanding names in the business, like the legitimate entrepreneur store Andreessen Horowitz. It has likewise collaborated with other unmistakable names, for example, Blockchain Adventures, Tiger Worldwide, MetaWeb Adventures, and Ainsville Labs. Different associations like Kurtosis, Transition, Mintbase, and Paras have additionally effectively utilized Near to assemble reasonable, fast, and decentralized open market protocols. Close by the $350 subsidizing round drove by Tiger Worldwide, prompting huge cost appreciation for Near crypto holders. Assuming Near's set of experiences of close associations proceeds, the coin's worth will probably take off essentially from here on out. Near protocol current cost. Near protocol is as of now worth $2.07 USD. Near has moved 0.23% as of now with an exchanging volume of $138,812,513. Near protocol is as of now position 31 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,755,645,838 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Near protocol to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Near protocol market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Near protocol value expectation 2023. Near protocol, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Near cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $3.11. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $2.90 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is possible in the near future given expected joint efforts and progressions. Near is supposed to have a base worth of $2.48. Near protocol value forecast 2024. In 2024, Near protocol Near cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Near will before long outperform $5.18. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Near's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Near will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $4.14 and a typical exchanging cost of $4.56. Near protocol value forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $7.25 and Near may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. NEAR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $6.63 and a low of $6.21 in 2025. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that NEAR Protocol effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the NEAR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, NEAR will be green in 2026. The NEAR is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $9.32, with a base cost of $8.28 and a typical cost of $8.70. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the NEAR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $10.77 by 2027, with a base cost of $10.35 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, NEAR has a greatest value worth of $11.39. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $12.84. If NEAR figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $13.46. Neglecting to accumulate the help NEAR needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $12.42. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2029. While NEAR is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $14.49 and a yearly cost close above $15.53 in 2029. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, NEAR Protocol will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $16.56 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $17.60, averaging out at $16.98. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest NEAR cost in 2031 is projected to be $20.29 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $19.46. And, with its unmistakable designer elements and razor center around ease of use, the NEAR protocol has effectively separated itself from the group, taking into account NEAR's previous presentation and one-of-a-kind contributions. The symbolic shows colossal potential to become one of the most outstanding Web 3.0 digital forms of money and produce outsized returns. Indeed, even with the market unpredictability in play, the NEAR protocol has progressive potential and is without a doubt a significant token to look out for from now on. What is the NEAR protocol cost today? Today, NEAR protocol is exchanging at $2.